Welcome back, welcome back. So today's episode is going to be probably a 1 or a 2 minute video, if that, but it's just going to show you how to get your model into OBS. It's so easy, so simple, it's going to be quick. So if you're new to the channel, please drop a follow, a subscribe. All the support's much appreciated, helps me grow as a content creator. If you've not seen the original episodes of how to create your model, how to create the lens with your eyes and your mouth and all the features and the scripts, please press on the videos that'll be on the screen now. There's also one of how to add in your outfits, hats, weapons, whatever you like. I've done a little video on that. And this one will be all around how to get it in OBS. So without further ado, let's get on. So once you've opened your model, you've got it on here, you've got your green screen, you've got your preview selected on the bottom right, as I have on this. What we'll do next is we will open up OBS. So obviously at the moment I'm using OBS, so as you can see on the screen, it's going to go crazy. But what we need to do is, on sources, you want to add in so press plus, you want to add a window capture, and we'll name this virtual cam. Press OK. We're going to select our Lens Studio. OK. So now it's capturing our Lens Studio. And as you can see, there's my model. What we'll do then is with it selected, you can see by the red all around it, is we'll hold Alt in and we're going to shrink the screen to just where the green is. Like so. So now we've just got a little green screen with our model on. We're then going to go down to where it says filters. Press filters. We're going to add an effect filter. And it's going to go a chroma key. Press that. OK. You want to make sure the key colors selected the green. And then basically, that is all you do. Press close. And as you can see, it has now gotten rid of the green screen and put the background. And that is literally all you have to do. Now my model is in. Now everything I do, my model does on my OBS. Obviously, at the moment, I'm doing window capture, so it's capturing the whole window. So all you would have to do here is add in your games. Again, if people want some guides on how to do OBS, you know, I've got the virtual here for my TikTok streams. I've got the main stream set up here with me starting, game, chat, be right back, ending, all the different screens, which I've linked to my Stream Deck. I can go through different step-by-steps on how to do stuff on OBS, what you need to do to start out as a streamer. Just let us know. But in terms of getting your model in, it is as simple as that. That is your model in now. Just always make sure that your Lens Studio is open and not minimized. It has to be open in the background fully, because if you minimize it, it won't pull your model through because it's minimized on a screen, well, window capture. You've got a minimize window. So basically make sure if you've got two screens, one screen always has it open in the background. You can put stuff over the top of it. It doesn't have to be physically there, but as long as it's not minimized. And that is as quick as it is. Done. Now you've got your model in. Don't need none of this SnapCam, Docker, all these fancy server coding. You just literally use the most up-to-date Lens Studio. Bish, bash, bosh. Models in. Off you go on your stream. And adding all your different little features and characters and weapons and hats and bodies. It's as simple as that. So I'm glad you came in again. It's much appreciated. Drop a subscribe. It's been great. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.